Using a 1 to 1 1/2 mixing ratio, mix Chi Bleach and Shine, 20 volume Chi Color Generator, and 3 pumps of Chi Bond Rebuilder for root touch-up application. For the razor haircut, start at the highest point of the head to the highest point of the ear, projecting the hair up to a 120-degree angle to create a stationary guideline. At the ear, bring the front hairline back to blend with the side to keep the sideburn length. In the back, use a 120-degree angle and cut to the guideline. Use perpendicular partings, razor forward on both sides and cut horizontally. Using vertical sections, blend the exterior with the interior and follow the curve of the scalp to blend the sides. Project the hair to the ceiling and point cut. Release the fringe and project vertically to connect to the guideline. Afterwards, comb hair to natural fall and point cut to create soft asymmetric fringe. For Formula 2, mix 1 ounce 10S plus 1 ounce 11I plus 2 shots of 1-in plus 3.75 grams violet additive plus 2 ounces 10 volume Chi Color Generator. Apply Formula 2 on the entire head. Tape the ends of the fringe down to create a barrier, leaving 1 inch out, and apply Formula 3, which is 1 ounce 1-in plus 1 ounce 10 volume Chi Color Generator. Using the same formula, apply a peekaboo and add to the ends of sideburns and nape hairline.